1 and 2 lakh square meters. It was lakhs and lakhs of square meters. And we have got those figures under RTI. So त्या साइडीक एमपीटी जमीन ओडटाली, त्या साइडीक दुसऱ्या साइडीक शिजताले. नाव तुमकां खबर हा, एमपीटी वॉज ऑलवेज अ प्रॉफिट मेकिंग ऑर्गनायझेशन. खूबशे हजारांचे हजार गोंयकार थंय काम केलां, पेन्शन घेतलां, बरे भशेन आपणाची फामील भुरग्यांक वयर काडल्या तांणी. टिल 2014, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, 2014 पासून एमपीटी वॉज अ प्रॉफिट मेकिंग ऑर्गनायझेशन. And then the great Modi ji chaiwala comes as the prime minister and MPT starts going in loss. आमच्याकडे RTI documents, it starts going in loss suddenly. The same organization इतले for decades it has been making profit. In 2014 it starts making loss. Why? 7,000 plus गोंयकार हारले एमपीटीन काम करताले. तांकां इले करून VRS दिवन काढले अँड टुडे ओन्ली 1600 उरल्या. आणि त्या 1600 मध्ये कितले गोंयकार उरले ते तुमकां शॉक जातले. There are very few Goans in that 1600. Why were they removing? एका साइडीक म्हणटा आमचे कडेन वर्कर्स ना, so there is no production, so we are going in loss. हे लोकांक काडटा, प्रोडक्शन गोज डावन and then they are saying loss. कित्याक सांगले तांणी आमकां लॉसान हा म्हूण? बिकॉज they wanted to show MPT is in loss. आता कशें तरी MPT साल्वार करपाक जाय. बाबा आमच्यो बर्थ्स अडानीक दिल्यो, अडानीक तर बर्थ दिल्यो ऑन लीज, जाल्यार आमकां पयशे येतले. वन बर्थ वॉज गिवन टू जिंदाल. एम आय रायट ऑलेन्सियो? ओके. हांचे पळय लोकांक कशे काडले तांणी कामाचे. फ्रॉम 7,000 प्लस दे ब्रॉट इट डावन टू 1,600. मुद्दम लॉसान घाले सो दॅट दे आर डिपेंडंट ऑन अडानी एंड जिंदाल. आता तुमकां खबर हा, आता एमपीटी कशें आपकाच्या चॉपक्यान हाडले पळय ते. कमिंग बॅक टू जमीन, हांवें मातशे हे केल्ले ते kept in abeyance because I came to know Mr. Reginald is coming. Why? I please want you all to give a very big hand to Mr. Reginald. There is a reason for that, very important reason. Because taka khabar ha or na khabar ha, I don't know. But he picked up the LAQ which was given by somebody. And that LAQ was filed last year in the assembly. And थंय सगळे सांपडले. Where एमपीटीन कशी जमीन ओडल्या पळय ती. जमीन सगळी ओडल्या, लाखांचे लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर. एम आय राईट मिस्टर रेजिनाल्ड? येस येस. आणि 1 week back, when the revenue minister Mrs. Jennifer Monserrat, she told the press, आमचो धीरज बाब खंय हा पपय, he asked her, I saw his name, he asked her that ही जमीन ओडल्या, don't you think whose जमीन? तिकडे सांगले this belongs to the state government. ही जमीन पळय एमपीटीन ओडल्या belongs to the state government. And the revenue secretary also said this belongs to the state government. The captain of ports, Mr. James Braganza, said it belongs to the state government. But MPT che Muni's eyes, they don't care for our government and our elected representatives. They take orders from Adani. They said let the minister say whatever. It's on record, correct? He said state government ak maruni bobo, ye zomin amchi. Imagine. And he has approached the state government for survey number allot korpa. आतून दाखवता की he knows it doesn't belong to him. But जबरदस्ती ओढलेली हा. So जमीन कशी ओढलेली हा, कित्याक जमीन ओडटाले ते? They've reclaimed the land from दोरया माती घालून. To get the coal इतलो येतलो 136 million tons हुंय दवरपाचो. Now I'm connecting it to Sagarmala जो आमच्या ऑलेन्स बाबान सांगला. What does Sagarmala mean? तो गोंयान घालपाचो, हे connecting the rivers, the 6 rivers. On 25th of November, this 25 number, आमच्या एका पवित्र पुस्तकान हा, 7 number is Oslo. आतून 25 number नोव्हेंबराचे श्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर, 25th November 2016. I can tell you, internal sources have told he was there in office at 11 o'clock to clear the file. And he said the bill has been examined and agreed upon. Sign मारली. It is not even one line, half line. आमच्यो 100 नवयो काढून दिल्यो सेंटराक. IWAI, Inland Water Authority of India, which is based at Noida. And हे 100 नवयो दिल्यो आमच्यो. शापोरा, साल, म्हापसा, जुवारी, मांडोवी. कुमारजुआ येसो नवयो आणि जेन्ना आमी वो रेज केलो इशू वो कोलाक लागून म्हण बिकॉज वी न्यू वी हॅड स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग की 136 मिलियन टन तर जाय जाल्यार ट्रेनीन वचोंक जायना इवन इफ यू मेक डबल ट्रॅकिंग कित्याक देर इज ऑल्सो एन एजन्सी कॉल्ड एकॉम AECOM एकॉम तांणी मास्टर प्लॅन केलो एनपीटी तर 136 मिलियन टन येवपाचो आहा आनी आमकां एक कंपनीक दिवंक जाय जाल्यार वन इज डबल ट्रॅकिंग ताणें प्रपोज केल्लें आनी दीस गव्हर्मेंट एक्सेप्टेड एन ताणें सांगलें एट द मोस्ट by 2030 MPT will be able to handle only 51 million ton per annum 51 million ton so बाकीचो सुमार 85 मिलियन टन्स कशे हँडल करतले आता तुमकां गमले ह्यो 100 नवयो कित्याक गेल्यो त्यो आनी आमच्या सरकारान सांगला इन्क्लुडिंग द कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स की इट इज फॉर टुरिजम इट इज फॉर फेरी एल्दोनासान ह्या सायडीक बानस्तारीसान ह्या सायडीक येवपाक आनी आमकां आतां एक डॉक्युमेंट that document you will not see the names of our rivers national highway तुम्ही जाणो national highway 14 national highway 17 national highway 478 असले नंबर दिता and today they have given numbers to our 6 rivers तुम्ही तर IWIN सांगशात की आमच्या जुवारी रिव्हराचे किती झाला तुमकां जुवारी किधर है क्या है नंबर बताओ मॅडम आणि तुमकां सांगता आमकां एक आता हालींच डॉक्युमेंट मेवला in that document it is clearly written the rivers by which coal will be transported अब थंय आमकां दोन नंबर मेवलो National River 68 and National River 111 I am going on record please check it National River 68 and 111 111 is Zuari and 68 is Mandovi काढली नावान आमची जी पूर्वजांनी नावां दिल्ली पळय शेकड्याचे शेकडे ही नावां काढले नंबर दिल्यात ते पळय चोर पळय कैदी असतात न्ही नंबर दिस इज वॉट दे हॅव डन सो दिस 2 rivers विल बी यूज्ड आता आमकां आनी एक RTI डॉक्युमेंट मेवल्ली हा दिस इज द लेटर सायन्ड बाय द अंडर सेक्रेटरी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिटर्न टू the captain of ports and now gala kind attention Mr. James Braganza and in that he has written on again it is 18 September 2017 and थंय तो सांगता ह्यो 9 जेटी बेगीन बांदात म्हणटा आयज तुम्ही पेपरार वाचला फोंडेचो लोक उठलो 2017 जेन्ना आमकां हे गोमोल्ले आमी त्या लोकांक सांगुल्ले हांगा कोल येवपाचो आहा म्हूण MLA of मडकय बाब सुदीन धवलीकर that time he was PWD minister ताणें कितें सांगलें वो कोलाक न्ही म्हूण हे आमी रॅम्प बांदतांव मँग्रोव कातरलेले रॅम्प बांदतांव गणेश चतुर्थीच्या टायमार विसर्जन करपाक म्हणजे पुजोवपाक ओके काल श्री सुदीन धवलीकर फॉर्च्युनेटली हॅज कम ऑन बोर्ड एंड सेड वो कोलाक लागून आनी आपूण एलाव करपाक ना better late than never what we have been saying for last 2-3 years the PWD ex-PWD has finally accepted okay it is on record जेटी हुंय येता पळय त्यो सो तुमकां न्हंयोच्यो खबरो जाली डबल ट्रॅकिंगाची खबर जाली उरल्या कितें तरी पूण हो कोल पास जावपाक ना नॅशनल हायवे आनी सागर मालाक कितें कनेक्शन आहा एब्सोल्युटली नो कनेक्शन आमी डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे उलयता आनी आमी न्हंयांचे उलयता बट हाव कम नॅशनल हायवे कम्स इन बिटवीन ऑन 2nd November 2014 2nd November 2014 the government of Goa the National Highway Authority of India and the Mormugaon Port Trust signed a tripartite agreement. They signed a tripartite agreement on 2nd November 2014 saying government of Goa said आमी तुमकां full support दिता वो complete करपाक why to transport coal आता तुमकां गमले anything else you all want to know we will show you where the tripartite agreement is there that's why I said these are not allegations these are facts now I want to tell about our another bill which has been introduced in parliament on 12th of March 2020, just before pandemic, lockdown जावच्या पयलीं. And that bill is known as Major Ports Authority Bill. हे bill 2016 introduce जाल्लें as Major Ports Bill. Major Ports Bill. ते lapse जालें 2019 जेन्ना parliamentary term काबार जालो. It has been reintroduced on 12th March 2020 by the Minister of Shipping, Mr. Manwadia, Mansukh Manwadia. And it has been renamed as Major Ports Authority Bill 2020. आतूनय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या MLA of Kurtoli, Shri Reginald Bab. I've never met him in person, but I'm just seeing him. That he was instrumental, probably knowingly or unknowingly, he got some documents which was of help to us. And in that, we come to know that the Major Ports Authority Bill, and I also want to specially thank Mr. Sam, the Sarpanch of Majarda, because एक महिना पयले हांव ताजेशी आयलो, हांव ताका वळखना, तो म्हाका वळखना, but he allowed me to come and I explained to him that Major Ports Authority Bill he introduced जाल्लें हा parliamentan. And this, there are 4 sections. In that 4 sections, section 22A, 22B, 23 and 25 and 26. What does the section says? That जे power दिल्ले हा to the local bodies, म्हणजे panchayat, municipality, and the planning bodies, म्हणजे TCP, and also the state government, they will have no powers and jurisdiction over the MPT once the bill is passed. And ये bill parliament and pass चल रहे हैं. I don't know if the MLA is aware of this. And you can still make noise. We have written the letter to the Minister of Shipping, to both the MPs. I'll tell you very frankly that when we sent a letter, number was there, Mr. Francisco Sardina called me up and he said, "Are letter केल्या." Because in that we said, please move an amendment or scrap the bill. You have to fight for Goa. Because in that letter we have said, when the bill was introduced as a draft bill on 12th March 2020, Shashi Tharoor, तुमका खबर हा, Shashi Tharoor आणि एक MP Saugata Ray from Tamil Manila Congress, TMC, आणि दोघांनी fight केली on the floor of the parliament की हे bill introduce करून दिनाका, send it to the drafting table, send it back. Let it be studied. You are taking away the powers of the panchayats, municipalities and the state government. There is no federalism left. हांव नको आमचो सार्दीन बाब हुंय हल्लो तेन्ना पळय. If Shashi Tharoor and Saugata Ray on record it has gone that they fought to stop the bill. And then Mr. Sardin asked, "अरे बाबा हे कितें letter केलें तुम्ही? हे सदांच हाडलें." I said, "Sorry Mr. Sardin, it was never there. हे introduce करता हाडलें जाल्यार bill कित्याक introduce करपाचें?" He has promised he will fight and we are watching. All of us Goinkar, Dow, Dhoran Rauya, because we cannot expect anything from MP of North Goa. Because if you all remember, ताणे फाटेफाट सांगुल्लें कितें? आपणाक अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक PMA कडेन 6 म्हयने लागता. खबर आहा तुमकां? He had told, as a minister, 6 म्हयने लागता ताका अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक PMA कडेन. So, ऑलेन्स बाबान बेल वाजयली. So I'll cut short. तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. But तुमकां ही खबर दिवंक जाय आसली. These are all facts. How they are trying to destroy Goa for the profit of just crony capitalists. जाणी 2014 एका मनशाक पयशे दिवन कोदेलीर बसयल्लो. आनी आयज तर आमी फुडें सरना. मेल्यार पासून उपकात्ता. नाजाल्यार फ्युचर जनरेशन will never forgive us. देव बरें करूं.